Hi again.
Right.
So I just got your text saying to hurry up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put that in there.
How you doing?
Well, it's a big.
Yeah, might as well put
Yeah,
that behind.
Good. It'd be even better when you pasta, dear.
I know. Today is the day. I'm nervous.
Mm.
Bit nervous.
Yeah, that just means you're human, doesn't it?
True. Very
Right.
true.
Today we've got Isaac Cruz in for he's related. He doesn't wants to keep the secret, but he's related to Tom Cruise, aren't you?
Yeah, big time, granddad.
So this is my claim to fame. Getting the first time pass out to Tom Cruise's nephew. Yep. Right, get everything ready then. I'll have to go to here. Have any questions? Anything you're not sure about?
Not really. I think I just kind of want to go, like do the bonnet stuff for the show me tell me questions.
Why do you worry about the bonnet stuff?
Because I don't know where everything is under the bonnet.
Well, if it's hiding down Marine, he's not opening the bonnet, is he?
Was he not?
Nope. Good air, yeah.
Happy days then. But yeah, I don't know. It's weird that it's actually today,
What's the date today?
31st of May. Interesting.
Oh, this feels a bit fast coming up here. Now remember, I need you to keep a 4-second gap today. How do you judge the gap?
Just pick a point and count from that.
Yeah, 4, keep well back today.
Okay.
You're going right. Then remember, any deep water you come see,
Yeah.
I want you to check mirrors and go through it slowly, or check mirrors and go around it. Have you got that?
Yeah.
Don't you be splashing anybody that here.
I watched that. I watched the Jess video.
Who, Jess?
Yeah.
Crackers and cheese?
Yeah. It's hilarious. I was cracking up watching it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was so good.
Keep the junctions clear. She's a funny and Jess.
Oh, yeah. Made me feel better about mine.
Hmm?
Made me feel better about mine.
But see, I just, her last mock test,
Yeah.
I just tried to torture her for 40 minutes. She was good enough to smash me. She was a bit aggressive when I first met her, but
Got out.
what's 232?
Yeah.
Not my favourite test yet, these 232s.
Yeah.
I like a 1014, closely followed by 1111.
Are they the quietest?
Yeah, they can take you anywhere, but I like to think they can take my pupils anywhere. I don't give them monkeys.
Yeah.
Them's my favourite times. And then it'd have to be 907 after that. This one would be last resort.
Really?
Yep.
It's reassuring.
How about the good thing is the school's is off.
Oh, they're off?
Yeah.
So I don't need to worry about lollipop ladies?
Nope.
Sweet. That was a worry of mine. Doesn't feel real yet. It doesn't really feel very real.
Well, it'll feel real when you get there.
Soon enough.
When you get there.
Yeah. So I don't know, are you a chess player?
Yeah, I like to play chess.
I
Yeah.
was at a chess tournament yesterday.
Were you?
Yeah.
You were in one?
Yeah, it was only a little college one.
Was it?
Yeah, it was fun though.
I love playing chess.
Yeah, I heard that you play it when whilst you're waiting for us to meet up.
Have you got any apps on your phone?
Yeah, I've been on chess.com.
Is that the one I've got? What's your score then?
Just called chess, isn't it? I'm like 1500 now on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, get the next one left. Well, I'm not 1500. Damn.
It's a lot of wasted time.
I would have offered to play, but you just smacked my backside.
I got my backside smacked yesterday.
Do you play the 30-minute games or the 20-minute games?
I do 10-minute ones.
Yeah, I like that.
Ooh.
Them Deliveroos are a bit dodgy, aren't they?
Hope it doesn't do that on my test.
Did you see our thumbnail?
What, for Jess? What was it?
See the banana.
Oh yeah. I didn't know if I should bring any food or not.
You are?
Didn't know if I should bring any food or not.
I reckon the banana's good.
Yeah. I had my pasta, but I couldn't finish it because I was too nervous.
I'm looking this left on for any cyclists coming in. Does everybody know you've got your testing?
Yep. Fortunately, they do.
Parents give you any advice?
Not really. My dad said something. He was like, most people who can drive will probably fail.
What?
So don't worry about it because it's like no one really. I don't know. Like,
We're going for Darling. Your dad says most people who can drive normally fail.
Well, like most people who are drivers already
Mm-hmm.
would probably end up failing the test just because of probably bad habits.
Yeah, well, getting rid of yours, haven't
Yeah, I hope so.
he? He's like a butcher when I first started. Barbarian, this guy.
Now I'm smooth as silk.
Yeah.
There's that video that you showed me with the guy on the bus.
Was it?
Yeah, and I was like, that's what I need to be like.
Yeah, nice and smooth.
Exactly.
Examiners love a smooth drive.
Smooth, slow is smooth, and smooth is fast. That's what my mate told me. I'm not sure how true that is. But yeah, I've told my parents that they're not that. I think they'll probably like me to pass, but anything like that.
Yeah, I need you to pass me.
Keep the pass rate up.
Yeah, it's all-time low at the minute.
Just taking all these students.
Yep. Well, Jess kept it up.
Just 2 minors. That was really impressive.
It's really good when she puts mind. I like how she took notes and that. Watched videos. She made notes of stuff.
Yeah, I took a note out of her book and made notes last night.
Yeah, she's very good.
Thorough. Is it okay to be doing like 45 down here?
Yeah, that's all I would do, definitely. Well, if the blue lights come this way, don't mount any verges or anything.
Yeah.
Don't mount pavements. Tell them what you're going to do. Be a signal. I would have slowed down a bit more there.
Okay, yeah.
Bishop Auckland. Remember, you want to be taking the edge off your speed now when it's weather's like this.
Yeah.
Really bad. Not good. Now, if you have oncoming traffic on this one,
Yeah.
I'll put a signal on for them so it helps them get onto the road.
Okay, cool.
Signal on the vehicles. Really? Oh,
Sorry, I did not see
You were? Hey?
Can't see that.
Well, there was a big sign on the left saying no entry, wasn't it?
Yeah. I got confused by the lanes.
You were?
Because I saw one was like a weird lane.
I want you to keep left at all times
Yeah.
unless road markings or signs tell you otherwise.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Getting the mistakes out now.
Yeah. Damn.
Whew.
I was thinking about this guy's driving really good here.
At least I made it now, not in the thing.
Mm-hmm.
At least I made it now, not in the test.
I'm going to do your parallel park on these cars down here. I'll just do it on this final. Now, if there's a car come behind, you'd signal
Yeah.
and then put it straight in reverse, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. perfect. That really, really good technique. That's excellent. That.
Thank you.
Great driving when you're right. Now, if you hit the curb, what do you do?
Pull forward.
What happens if anybody comes near?
Just stop.
And if they wait for you?
Carry on.
That's perfect. That. Really good.
Thank you.
That radio just come on.
Yeah, did I turn that on somehow?
Yeah, do you want a bit of music on there?
No, I'm alright.
You can listen to music on your test.
Can you?
Yeah,
No way.
yeah. As long as you don't have it blasting.
I might have a little
Turn
bit
it
on.
right.
I know my
Don't sing to him.
my mum always says that I'm worse when I'm
Mhm.
my mum always says I'm worse when I'm listening to the radio, so maybe I'll keep it off.
Apparently, you're more likely to have an accident when you listen to the radio.
Doesn't surprise me, to be honest.
Turn on the left. You're too far off the curb, look. See how far away from the curb you are?
Yeah, so I need to be closer.
Yeah, who could
Okay.
come up the left-hand side there? What could come up the left-hand side?
Bike or something.
Cyclists, yeah. We're inviting people to come up there, look.
Would that be a major or?
No, you get a minor for it. Be close. You should be following the curb round with your eyes, yeah?
Okay, yeah.
So you couldn't see properly to the right, just stay around first gear, then take the observation.
Cool.
Then take the next road to the right. This is interesting.
So I need to wait for these cars to come out as well. Oh, there they go.
Now, if them had broke down there, I would expect you just to go around it when it was safe to do so.
Yeah,
But you'd have to check that road because you're going to have to cut that corner, aren't you?
yeah, yeah. So waiting for those cars.
Yes,
is right.
and then you'd go around.
Yeah.
Like that.
Okay. Yeah.
So what you wouldn't do is just sit behind that.
Just waiting for them to
I
go.
did have a many years ago. My pupil was approaching the roundabout,
Yeah.
and the car in front had broke down on the roundabout, and the guy had his hazard lights on. So guess what my pupil doing?
Just wait around him.
Nope, he just drove up behind him and stopped. All the other cars just overtook him. And he failed. Well, we're going to the test centre now. Now remember, keep them gaps.
4 seconds.
Yeah, don't get too close to the cars.
Yeah.
Watch for the deep water and make sure you don't operate all these widens.
Cool.
If it really hoists down, slow it down.
Try not to hurt myself.
No, yeah. Right, then go and reverse it into a bay. No, not there. yet. We're in there, look.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm going into
yeah,
that.
to the
Okay.
test centre. Right, reverse it into the middle one next to the blue car.
Okay. We're going for the wrong way.
Yeah, you lined up for that one and then reverse into this one.
Is that?
Right, exams not bothered as long as you get in between two white lines, you're not worried. around like an owl. Right, time to wish Mr. Cruz the best of luck. Prediction times, what do you think? Are you gonna pass? How many minors?
4.
4?
4. I'll
Well,
take 4.
When I watched him first drive, I thought, oh, this is really good. I'd go for about 1 minor, but then he's thrown in a few minors, so I'm going to go for 3 minors, but a bit worried he might fail this one because he should be passing. He's good enough to pass, but I always get worried. Have any questions before I turn this off?
No, I think
Are you
that's
sure?
it. Yeah.
Right, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done.
Passed.
Tell them how
minor.
many fulls.
1.
What was the minor fault for?
Nearly going through a red traffic light.
What happened?
It started turning yellow
Yeah.
as I was kind of too far. I was still going enough to so I couldn't stop in time. If I'd stopped, I would have been on the line. So I just kept on going.
Yeah.
It turned red and I just went right.
So
It turned red when I was in the middle. And I just went
Yeah.
when it was.
Right, so you give you a minor fault, so...
Yeah. I thought that was it.
Yeah, I didn't listen because it was hiding down the room. Was the examiner nice then?
He was talking to me the whole time.
Was he?
Yeah. I was really glad that. Yeah. When I saw the other one come out, I was glad that I got that one.
Well, they're both good. Both nice. Was it easy, hard, or?
Yeah, it was quite, because it was the country road, so it was quite easy, and the only thing I had to really watch with the paddles and my speed. But I just tried to keep it around 40
Yeah.
for those bits because I knew that.
What manoeuvre did you get driving into Rebbein?
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Yeah.
Happy days.
Yeah, definitely. And did you do the emergency stop?
Nope.
Did you not?
Nope.
And we got driving into Beer at the end. I see you coming really confident.
Sorry?
I was looking out the window.
Yeah?
I seen you driving in. 1 minor. Well done.
This beats my 4 prediction.
Well, what did I say at the start?
You said, what did you say?
1.
Did you?
Yeah, but I said he's been meant to shoot 6 out of 3.
Easier than your mock test, at least. It was easier than your mock test.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, my mock test is designed to get serious faults on. They just want to see that you can drive safely. Well, very glad you don't have to do that again.
Yeah. That's a week's turnaround. Did that in a week.
Yeah, you've done
That's
well.
good. Thanks.
Considering that first lesson I seen you. Dear me.
Bold of you to take me on. And then when we were going through the towns, it wasn't that bad. There was one zebra crossing that I had to stop at, which if I didn't scan, I wouldn't have stopped. So I heard your voice in my head saying,
you?
scan and check the mirrors.
You often say that, I can hear your voice in my head.
Well, I could.
Get in.
Cloud 9.
Yeah, definitely. Great feeling, isn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing. I saw a sneak peek of his iPad. I saw a sneak peek of his iPad before he told me. Yeah.
What did it say?
Passed. Green, yeah.